Hey guys, this is Utsav from Wow Production, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add beautiful color sky to moody photos in Photoshop. So select whatever photo you require, and the thing is you have to select any sky background of image of your choice. So I have selected these two photographs to edit today, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drag this image, the sky background, to our original image, and we have to position it according to the image or the portrait required. So I'm going to just position the sky background according to the horizon. So I'm going to place it to the horizon. To look more clearly, I'm going to reduce the opacity, and we're gonna transform the layer according to it, and this looks fine. And what we're gonna do next is we have to duplicate the layer again. So we're gonna press right click and go to duplicate layer and press OK, and we're gonna press Ctrl+D or transform the image and flip it vertically, and we're gonna drag this down like this. And what we have to do is we have to remove the unnecessary part of the reflection. So we're gonna take the eraser tool and just remove the unnecessary part of the image so that it looks more beautiful. And to make it more realistic, what we have to do is we have to go to the blur, and we're gonna take the Gaussian blur to make it more realistic. So I'm gonna play with the radius, and this suits me very well, so I'll play with this and press OK. And as you can see, the reflection is blurry, but to make it more realistic, like the water is flowing, so we're gonna do is we're gonna create another blurry effect, that is motion blur, and play with the distance as per as a preference. Select the numbers and just press OK. So this looks more better than that one. So what we have to do next is we're gonna group them together like this, and we're gonna hide them. So just go to the background layer, select the background layer, and go to the channels and press Ctrl and press the red one. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna select all the whites in the image. So just go to the layers again, layers option, and go to the group and just press the layer mask. As you can see, the sky is already looking fabulous. So what we have to do is we have to adjust the, you can say, so we need to boost the white and black in the mask. So we have to go to the image, adjustments, and curves. As you can see, we can increase the white and blacks as well. So we're gonna drag the blacks little bit from this side to around I'll prefer 55% or 60, whatever as per your requirement. And I'm gonna increase the whites to around to 23 or 25 and press OK. So as you can see, we have all the blacks popping out of the image, and we're gonna adjust them. So we have to go to the brush, take the brush and decrease the opacity to 50%, and we're gonna brush the white area like this. We are doing this to minimize the black effect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go and unhide the main layer. As you can see, the colors are popping out, but that is not up to the mark. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust the overall tonal range with the help of curves. So we're gonna go to the adjustment and curves, and we're gonna create a point like here, and we're gonna just play with it, and we're gonna drop this down little bit so that the colors pop out really well. And I'll create another point here to decrease the colors and make the colors pop out from the reflection as well, and this is perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do or we can say we're gonna gradient the image, but without using the gradient tool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the adjustment again, and we're gonna select color lookup. I'll go with fall colors, and as you can see, it really gives you that orange and matte effect to your image. I'm gonna reduce the fill size to around 90% or 80%, doesn't matter. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna increase the contrast amount of the image, and we're gonna go to the adjustment again. We're gonna brightness contrast. I'm gonna increase the contrast a little bit. As you can see, the image looks beautiful than ever. Now we don't require all these settings, we're going to delete them. And now as you can see, the before and after of that image. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do comment in the comment section whatever you want to see in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.